Here we have AC Burger Company. It looks like it's closed. Maybe they just opened for lunch. Well, here's the menu. See if we can see the times. Oh, you know what? And it's going to be closed Monday and Thursday. Well, we'll have to come back tomorrow. Okay, let's take a peek. I saw people in there earlier. They must have been just working. Ripper style hot dog. I don't know what that is, a Ripper style hot dog. Okay, this here, we're coming to the very end. Thank you for visiting. Okay, so we'll turn around. There's hardly nobody in this casino right now. It's probably around between 2 and 3. Oh, there's somebody in there. We are coming up on Tipsy Elf Lounge. This is the Eden. And this opens at 7 o'clock tonight, so we'll have to come back. Here you go. Let's walk around. So down here we have the poker room, the sports book, the concert venue, and restrooms. Okay, here's a Caesar show. It was Hook. We've seen that before. It's really good. Okay, here's the lounge. See the little house up there. And look at this tree here. It's pretty neat, made of all bottles. So fine dining is up here. So here we go. Okay, so over here is the Serrata at the shore. That is Italian. It used to be Macchiarato's Italian before. This looks as though it might be closed. It says happy hour Friday to Tuesday. So, let's take a peek inside. They are closed today. Closed on Wednesday, Thursday. It's kind of strange. Usually a lot of places will be closed Monday, Tuesday. It looks the same as it was before when it was Macerato's. Okay. Is part of the lounge, and that opens at 7. Okay, now we're going into Gordon Ramsay Steak. That doesn't open until later. Let's see if it's even open. Yep, it is going to be open today. I see the chefs in the back. Let's see. Yes, it opens at 4. And let's take a peek at the menu here. There's fish, shellfish, soup, salads, steaks and chops. So that opens at 4 o'clock tonight. And then over here we have rum. Okay. There's no menu or hours. So I think that's it. For now, we'll have to come back when everything is open. Okay. We'll see you in a little bit. We are at McCormick and Schmick, and they have a happy hour. But we're just going to take a little zip around the dining room here. Really pretty. Look at that. I don't know if this is coming up dark or not, but this is really pretty. Hi, how are you? Okay. Pretty tree. And we have the Glen over here. Could we go to happy hour, please? Happy hour, yes. Not seating anywhere. All right, thank you so much. Okay, so we're going to sit at the bar and go to happy hour. It's really pretty. And here's the bar. That's pretty, huh? Okay, here's the happy hour menu. I think that's just the drinks. Really dark in here. Oh, here we go.
White cranberry.
Cheers. We're at happy hour at McCormick and Schmick. hungry.
videotape right now.
I know.
Well, shut it off from the top. It's still.
Okay, here is Glen's Burger. We're at happy hour at McCormick and Schmick. He got fries and a burger, cheeseburger, and a pickle. And the beer. My burger's coming out. They didn't put extra cheese on it. So, okay. Manja. Harrah's on the 42nd floor. We spent the night last night. It was wonderful. We did happy hour at McCormick and Schmick. Got cheeseburgers. It was very dark. I hope all my videos did come out. All right. Right over here is the boardwalk, the other side of Atlantic City, and we are on the marina side. We'll be heading over to the Trop later. What I did notice about this area is there's no traffic. Coming from the Orlando area, it's bumper to bumper always everywhere, but there's no traffic here. Okay, when you come out of the pool, there's a couple of restaurants here. Chicken Guy, Guy Fieri, Flavor Town. Next to it is Pinup Pizza. Now we're coming up to Starbucks. And across from Starbucks is Bobby's Burgers by Bobby Flay. we are heading over to the Tropicana right now. Both the Tropicana and HARRAHS is a Caesar's property. So Thursday to Monday they do have a shuttle that goes to the different hotels. What you have to do is you have to get 10 points, gamble and get 10 points, and you and the guest can go on the shuttle free. And there's the pool. If you stay here as a guest, it's $20 a person to get in. They do charge you. And if you're not a guest at the hotel, they charge you $30 a person at the time of the filming right now. So if you came in for the day, and yesterday's their hours were 10 to 5. So if you came in for the day and they charged you $30 a person, it's probably beneficial for you to go and get a day bed. That's $75 for the day. So that would include everything, and then you'd be more comfortable. La Strada. Here are some of the restaurants at HARRAHS in Atlantic City.